Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the on-device site data so you can allow sites to save data on your iOS or Android device via the Google Chrome mobile app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the browser and then select the settings gear button. And now you want to scroll down underneath advanced and select site settings. And then scroll down once more underneath content and you want to select where it says on device site data. Go ahead and select that. So a site you visit can save info about what you're doing so that it works as expected. For example, to keep you signed into the site or to save items in your shopping cart. Often sites save this info temporarily on your device. So if you want to enable that, have a toggle to the right. Conversely, if you want to disable on-device saving data, you just click inside the oval to turn it off and gray it out. So pretty straightforward process on that. Again, it's toggled to the right as you see on my screen. It means it is enabled. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.